Welcome to our lecture online. So what does it mean when they're asking you to solve a system of linear equations? What does that mean? Well, essentially, it means finding the point of intersection. But let's first take a look at our graph right here. Notice again, we drew two equations, equation 1, equation 2, defined by the equation y equals mx plus b. But typically, both of those two equations have different slopes and different y-intercepts, m1, b1 versus m2, b2. And notice that if the slopes are different, they will intersect at some point, and the point where they intersect is called the point of intersection. But it's also important to note that at the point of intersection, notice that both equations have the exact same x value and the exact same y value. So essentially what we're trying to do is we're trying to find the x and y coordinates of the point where they intersect. So when you see the question, solve a system of linear equations, that means you're going to find the point of intersection, you're going to find the x and y values of that point of intersection, and you're going to find the x and y coordinates of that point. And that is what that means when they're asking you to solve a system of linear equations.
That was short.
Very short. Now, of course, the next question would be, how do you do that? We'll get to that.